get your spreadsheet data. You can upload some photos into it to make it a little bit more peppy, but it does have a pretty basic look to it. Alright, Gemini can help you with doing your app sheet as I already described. As I'm making my app sheet, I ask it, Gemini, I'm trying to do this right my expression for me. And usually it does a pretty good job of helping me to get those in there so that everything connects correctly. So we're going to do this together if you have not already. You'll go to aliceq.com/try app sheet. If you do this on your phone and use the QR code, you're going to do this later when you're on your computer. Because you're not making an app sheet app from your phone. But, you know what the trick is having a data set to start with. Like when I first heard about app sheet, I was like so excited. I'm like, that is my jam. Because I love access databases. And then it's just like, I open it up and I'm pushing on a bunch of buttons, but without having a data set to really play with, it's hard to see in the picture. So this gives you a data set to get started with. Okay, let's do it. Make a copy. So I got my student ID, I got my students table, I have my devices table, I have my checkout. This homeroom teacher, I would probably be better off having a table for teachers that I reference who their homeroom teacher is, but let's keep it simple. I go to the extensions menu, I go to app sheet, and I say, create map.